Meaning of ho-hum.
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 Ho-hum. Ho-hum is an expression used to convey boredom or a lack of interest in something. It's typically used to describe a situation that is dull, unremarkable, or unexciting. The term ho-hum originated in the early 20th century and is thought to be an onomatopoeic word for the sound of boredom. When someone says ho-hum, they're essentially saying that they find the situation uninteresting or unengaging. It's a casual expression that can be used in both formal and informal settings to indicate a lack of enthusiasm or excitement about something.